This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2014. I have with me Mr. Jim Elbert of Goldrea Resources, publicly traded company, and the symbol is GOR on the TSX-V. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley, and thank you for having me.
It's good to have you. So tell us what Goldrea does.
Goldrea is a junior mining company. We trade on the TSX Venture Exchange, and we've been in business since 1984 under a couple of different names. Since about 2000, we've been called Goldrea.
Okay, so you're Goldrea today. So all of these years you've been in business. Today you're a publicly traded company. Tell me what's going on in the company as we speak.
Well, we own 5 properties in BC and Arizona, one of which is we're pretty proud of, and we're probably going to pursue that in the near future. It's a molybdenum property, and what's holding us back at this point is the price of molybdenum, but when it moves up, I think we'll get a little more aggressive. Probably the big news that we've had is we just sold a property in China and put $1.5 million in the bank. It's just done, so we've paid all our bills, have money in the bank, and ready to move forward with other projects.
That's the good news. So what are the properties, what is the resource that's on throughout your company? Because what's on one property may not be consistent throughout all of them.
Our Arizona properties are gold properties, and small but viable. And as I say, our focus at this point will be on our Crow Ray Empress property, which is here in BC. And we've got real good results from that. It's 43101. It needs more work because we added the Empress, and that should expand the zone as well. So this is in the future. We just sold the China property. We just have money in the bank. We're solvent, feeling good. And so what do we do next?
What's your background?
I've been an independent businessman for most of my life. I was a stockbroker for 12 years. I worked on and off with quite a few different juniors. Took over Goldrea about 1.5 years ago, and basically took it off the mat, I think, with the good team that I do have with me, and we're moving forward from this point.
So you excited?
Looking forward to it. It's been a rough road for many companies. Some pretty risky. We've bypassed that risk, and so that's why we're excited about the future.
What's your website?
www.goldrea.com. That's Goldrea.
Ladies and gentlemen, a true turnaround guy right?
Working on it.
I mean, but I think you turned it around. I mean,
survival first, then building second.
That's all right with me. I like that. Jim Elbert, Goldrea Resources. It's a publicly traded company, GOR on the TSX Venture Exchange. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2014 right here in Vancouver. Thanks, Jim.
Thank you, Shelley.
Thanks for coming.
Okay.